Checking hard drive and battery health are two critical components to inspect on a used laptop. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have discussed how to check second-hand laptop processor hardware health. We used a software named CPU-Z. Through CPU-Z, we check the processor information, motherboard details, memory RAM information, and type. GPU graphic card information and system monitoring. In this video, we will check the health, hard drive and battery. In this video, we will use another software named Hard Disk Sentinel. First of all, we will install Hard Disk Sentinel software in our system. Step for installation. Go to Google and search for Get into PC website. Search for Hard Disk Sentinel. Click on Hard Disk Sentinel. Scroll down at the end of page. You can see the download option. Click on download. The download will start on your PC. Once download complete, you can run and install. After installation process completion, a desktop icon of Hard Disk Sentinel software is created now. Double click on software icon. Software will be open shortly. Once the Hard Disk Sentinel open in the first step overview, you can see hard disk performance and health. A healthy hard drive will have 100% in both categories. The software will also display a note if the hard drive has bad sector or any issues. The note will tell you. Use the temperature tab to see the hard drive's temperature and the smart tab to see detailed test values. A repaired hard drive is one that had bad sector removed. Will not have a smart value of 0. The information option will tell you whether it is an SSD or HDD. At the last, you can see hard disk specification. In this case, my system hard disk capacity is 256. Now we will check the battery health of a laptop. For battery health check, we will use a software named Batteryinfoview. Step for installation, go to Google and search for Batteryinfoview. Re-download, download and extract. After extracting, no need of installation. You will see Batteryinfoview. Click on Batteryinfoview prompt will open. This software shows you battery specification, design capacity, full charge capacity, battery health. If battery health is 30%, it means battery is near to dead. And the most important thing, battery chemistry. Battery chemistry should be lithium. Both software we have discussed for battery life and hard disk checking. You can download from the description. I copy both of the link in the description and you can easily download it from. By watching this video, hope now you can check the battery and hard disk health. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.